Hello devs. So today I'll be showing you how easy it gets to add fields into your SvelteKit app, uh, like combining or binding it with the backend using Djapy and Django-Kit. So Django-Kit is basically a binder or a coupler. So let's just see. So as you can see over here, you can add stuff over here, add stuff to this stuff here. You can add to do stuff over here basically. So how can you like let's just add in another field. For now it's a checkbox, as you can see over here. Checkbox test. I'm just so yeah, it's a checkbox right now. So as you can see over here, it just creates to do and returns true. And you can see over here, completed is a checkbox as it is optional, literal, and on or off. So what we want to do is we want to add two fields. One field will be completed 8 and it will be an optional date time, and another field would be let's just give it none for now, and another will be will complete 8. And let's just go to our Django model and remove completed boolean field from here and name it as complete 8 and will complete 8. Now what we need to do is we need to migrate it. So pmm is just alias for python manager.py migrate, and pmt is migration. Okay, done. Now what we can do is we have to go to our front end. So as you can see over here, it has an id of completed. It's not necessary, but I'm just renaming it. The main thing is name completed 8, and another field is will be completed 8. id is equals to will complete 8. Sorry, yep. Let's just give it another color. Let's just give it a blue color. Now let's see. In the backend, in the Svelte backend, you can see we have used in alias or proxy to create to do. So it sends information to Django backend. Over here, this is the create to do. It has a name, create to do. So basically it sends the information to that URL with that name. So as you can see over here, okay, I did a little bit of mistake over here. Let's see what was wrong. Let me just remove these two things. Can I read symbol error? I don't know what the heck is it talking about. Oh yeah, got it. I think it's probably about the completed issue, I guess. Let's test it out. I don't know, I'm not sure about that as well. Okay, we might have some issues on the oh yeah, renderer. We are getting lists over here and to do. Okay, there is we do not have completed 8 right now, so it's completed 8 optional date time and will complete 8 and optional date time again, and reload it, and it's working right now. So all of these are empty because we removed that field. So we have this thing right now over here, and I'm sorry, okay, over here completed 8, and it's a date, actually date time. Let's do date time local. Let's do total date time local. What does it do? And give it a background color of BZ amber, BZ blue, sorry. Okay, let's make it a little rounded. Okay, rounded, great. Now what we can do is we can select our, this is completed 8 and this is will complete 8. So let's see if it works or not. Testing if it works or not. So let's give them same time and add. Something went wrong actually. So attribute has no completed. Okay, so over here, okay, we have done a little bit of mistake, or maybe we forgot. So over here, completed it, and we'll complete it. Perfect, perfecto. Now let's test it out. Okay, it is working great. So it's that simple. So basically for now we might need to add a little bit of extra information as well. So like let me hop into the types over here. Yep, so it's a datetime string, and will complete it string. So what, we do not need this thing now. Actually we can use this thing later for submission and stuff like that. Now completed in spam to do that will complete it. Okay, now we have all of those information over here. So what you wanna add somehow days ago or seconds ago, for that you can use just moment.js. For now I have not done that, but you can do that. So yeah, that's how much it is simple. Like it is super simple if you use Djapy and Django-Kit. Yeah, there might be a little bit of customization you need. That is perfectly fine, you can do that as well. So yep, Djapy and Django-Kit is awesome when you wanna use Svelte for your front end and Django for your back end. Have a great day.